There it is. Yep, mic's working. Awesome. So, this is round 2, episode 2 of making a snake game in the terminal with Ruby and a gem called Curses. Haven't made any progress on it since last time, other than making a README and making a GitHub repo. So, now that is linked in the About page on Twitch. For today, my hope is to move past this dirty looking prototype and actually introduce some classes and see if we can get the snake to move by our own input with the arrow keys. So let's get to it. Okay. Well, how about we first just see what it looks like. Ruby main. So this was the prototype. This down. Yeah, it errors out. That's fine. That's because I actually got collision detection working, which is great. Borders are good. Yeah, all the prototype stuff ended up working out. I don't need this down here, so that can just go away. Right, this window doesn't matter. And I'll try to be a little bit better about ooh, something happened to my cursor. Who knows? I think I broke something in my terminal. That's hilarious. Okay. So silly. I'll just restart it. Boom. Okay. Then let's make sure it still works. It's probably gonna break. Yay. Okay. Need to control C when I do that. Makes sense. I think whatever I did before just exited out. All of these things are possible. Yep. Okay. Cool. So I don't need that. I'm not sure I need this snake thread, but I don't know a different way to do it right now. Let's see what that does. Does work without a thread. And then just exits. Cool. I think I'm gonna have to do a thread for the input, which, well, yeah, I just don't know what to do about that. So, now I need to handle all of the different keys. So I think it'll just be lots of else ifs. Why did it format it like this? Oh, right. Oh. Down. I assume that's what they'll be. Let's make sure those will... before I do that, let's make sure the snake's not moving. Still, oh, I didn't save. Yay, I get keys. Okay. I think I probably want some state that is direction, and then when I press a different key, it sets that direction to left, up, right, or down. Wait, I wonder... Oh, it is just outputting input.inspect. And I know what the key code... Well, I can get the key codes. Oh. Maybe I'm overthinking it. I'll just make something like direction at equals U. Direction equals L. R D. And then down here with the snake. Ah, yes. I changed new head. I think I can just make it an if. Oh, this feels weird, right? I could just check for input here. I wonder. Let's see how this works. Shouldn't break. Oh dear. Does change. Okay. It's fun. I can go through and refactor later. I just want to get some directions. So this is if action equals u, do that. Else if I actually think I have these backwards. Right's +1. Okay. And that should theoretically work. Yes, it does. That's so silly. But it, granted, this is super simple. It doesn't have any error checking. So if I, oh, it just exits if you turn back on yourself. That's not terrible. I don't think it should be possible though. So that would mean that it'll, yeah, cool. It just eats these away. What is the collision check? Oh, if it's not 32. Oh, weird. Then why was that? So just hitting the wall does, oh, it goes through it. Hmm. Does it actually raise it anymore? I don't think it does. Hmm. Oh, but the snake is not, the whole snake is not moving, right? Yeah, it's just growing. I think we should probably turn this into a class. That doesn't seem right. Okay, and I think this should all work just the same. That way I can get some of the class niceties like methods and so on and so forth. Clean things up a bit. Does not work. I broke it. Perfect. Wonderful. I wonder if that has to be in there. Is that right? Nope. Yep. Oh. Let's try by putting those there. Then I bet it'll work fine. Yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, so all I did was wrap it in an object. Definite. But now, no, not screen. Now we can take things like direction and make it at direction. Oh. What if I just did it like that? Let's see if I can do this. Oh, but I'll have to initialize window equals null. And then I need to replace. Search for when one replace with at window everywhere. All right, let's see if it still works. Oof, that was fast. Probably because there's no direction. And I'll take that. What does it control? Redo. Okay, so now that should be fine. All these need to be at input. Slash. Okay, let's see how that works. Ooh, super broke. That's what I called it. Yeah. Still broke. Maybe I shouldn't take this out. Hey, professional, what's going on? How are you? Oh, maybe it doesn't like it because... Oh. Nope, still broken. Professional, what have you been up to? Wait. Oh, there you are. Nice. Good. Built a full stack application, Postgres, SQL, and Docker, connected Java, Spring, app, backend, and front end have TypeScript, Angular, tutorials. Dude, that is awesome. That's a big thing. What did the app do? The stack looks good. Yeah, that's super exciting. Hey, Moomy. Snake game is coming along well. Until I broke it by adding making it a class and trying to add in class methods. I had movement working pretty well. Yeah, now it just auto fails. But that's okay. That's okay. Input thread. Professional. Well, so far not much. Just CRUD things and displaying it at front end. It's meant to be meal advisor, shopping planner. Okay, cool, cool. Well, you've got the groundwork, the foundation laid, so should be good to go from here. Hmm. I changed a bunch of stuff. Okay. Let's go back to where I had it semi-working. Currently I'm having some issues configuring my CI/CD pipeline on GitHub. What are you using? Like just GitHub Actions or Jenkins or any of the other million versions of CI/CD stuff? Circle CI is another one I'm familiar with. GitHub Actions, nice, nice. Haven't dealt with them too much, but they look promising. Okay, I think here is where I was starting to get weird. You know next to nothing about it. Well, what are you trying to get it to do? Just like run a test suite or auto deploy? Oh, it's still just exiting. I have broken something. Okay, cool. Now we're back to a semi-working state. We'd probably make a commit here. I can at least get it to like move. It's constantly growing, but that's solvable later, probably. Run unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests. Also building application and Docker image with defined environment. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know right off the top of my head. I'd have to do some research into it. Yeah, exactly. You too. Definitely doable, though. Oh, and I guess if you haven't noticed, I am making a snake game in the terminal. Taking a break on data structures and algorithm stuff. I just needed to like build something. So this is what I chose. I was hoping that it would be small enough scope to be done in a handful of sessions. Yeah. I have a friend which works on it with me. He's DevOps, so most of the CI/CD tasks he's doing. Nice. That's awesome. It's great to have a buddy. You're making the programming thing work. Yeah, you've been working hard at it, so you got to be good now. The name hasn't changed to just professional grade yet, though, so. Snake looks great. Oh, thanks. Thanks. Okay, I will make a commit because it is technically working. Okay. Change direction. You'll not comment on your level. Promise you'll not try to speak ill about yourself. That's good. That's a good thing to promise yourself. I'll have to drop in on one of your streams soon and just shower you with compliments. Because from what I've seen, like your code in the past has looked good. I assume it's gotten better. All right. So. Yeah. Can't wait for the shower. Look good. Like, really? Yeah, definitely. You're welcome. You're welcome. What is find the middle over to -1, I think. Let's just see if this works. My friend also looked impressed today. I wrote the front end thing in a day, and I'm really happy about it. Dude, that's great. That's great. Hopefully did not brag too much. Nope, you're good. You're good, professional. Thanks, Moomly. Moomy. I agree. It works perfect. This is the best game over screen I've ever seen. I think I'll just keep it like this for now, because it's silly. Oop, that's not what I want. I want the code. Oh, yeah, I know why that's not working. It's because... Let's see if this actually fixes it. Oops. Do. It did break the loop, but it did not write the game over. Yeah, it's fine. I like the other one anyway. True. Here's my snack game if you want to compare. Oh, nice. Ooh. Apple, snake, space. Oh, passing the window into initialize. That's smart. Parts starting at 10:10. Run. Huh. Tails, parts.pop. Wow. This is super slick. Movie, this looks really good. Huh. Snack. Oh my gosh, Movie. Did you make this while you were watching me last time? I'm just gonna pull this down. Yeah. You made it right after? That's awesome. And then just Ruby. Snick. Oh, so good. Oh, this is awesome. Going for it. Going for it. Going for it. Huh. Too cool. Oh, I guess I could make it smaller, right? That would probably help. Yeah. Oh, oh gosh. It feels so fast. Game over. Score 1. Yeah, that's awesome. How did you do movement? Yeah, of course. Of course. I was happy to try it. Yeah, it works really well. It works really well. Begin. Oh, right. Oh, message size. That's smart. Okay, movement. That's what I was looking at. Listen to keys. Okay, so you're also using a direction variable. And then case. Yep, that makes sense. Huh. Okay. I don't want to look at it too much because I feel like I'm going to copy code it. Even if it's going to be much slower me working through it on my own. But things that I gathered about input is that instance variable to keep up with the direction, and you did create a method for listen to keys. How did you do the threading though? Oh. Okay. So there's no need to join it back. Alright, cool. That's enough for me to move forward, I think. Thank you so much for the help, Moomy. Alright. Def input. Listener. I did also notice that you were using symbols for up, down, left, and right. I'm just going to keep using characters because that's what I had before. But it needs access to the window. So, window equals window, and that's why you passed in window there. Which makes sense. But I have to create the window. I wonder if I have to define the box out of there. I don't think so. Oh, you put the begin and rescue outside of this, huh? Input thread to join. Let's just run it and see what happens. Okay, so that's what was happening before. So is it something to do with this begin and rescue? Alright, gonna look at your code again. Okay. Do not like that code completion. I don't need that sleep there anymore. Not what I wanted to do. There we go. Ah, perfect. Yay, it failed with an error this time. Okay. Do. Okay, let's try again. It's not listening. Okay, that's fine. My glorious game over screen. Yeah, that makes sense. probably have to call the input listener for it to actually do something. Oh. Ah. Oh no. Oh no. It only listens to the first one. Alright, let's figure that out. Let's just... poop that out and see what's happening. Only works once. Okay. Alright, so why did this work? Is it because I'm joining it at the end? Wait a second. Boop, boop, boop. Not what I wanted. This seems bad. What have I done? I'm spawning a new thread every time. Yeah, probably not for the best. The sliding game over text. Yeah, maybe after I get it working reliably, like yours, I'll start adding some silly things. That's my hope. Alright. Your code is just so tempting. Yes, direction. Oh, while running. That's smart. Okay, so the thread itself doesn't look much different from what I'm doing. Though I'm not refreshing. Oh, you're not refreshing in here. Yeah. Your running is very simple. Sleep 1 per FPS. Oh, is it that simple? Or is it because of the window.get? Yeah, that's not it. Okay, and how are you actually getting these? Window.get. So you're using a case statement, but I don't think that makes a big difference. There's probably something with my overall structure, which is fine. Well, that's wrong. Yeah, I don't know why it only takes one. some reason it's just not matching any of those. Oh, it's outside of the thread. Yeah, you know, it doesn't listen after the first one. Weird. Moomy, what's the problem? Yeah, so I was mimicking your listen for input and creating a thread inside of a method and then calling that inside the start game method here, just outside of the loop. So mimicking some of your code, but then when I start the game, I get the first key press and no more. Since the offending code doesn't seem to be too different, I'm assuming it's a code structure problem, not necessarily a thread problem. Yeah, because that's pretty similar. Oh, smart, smart. Yep, new window. Spawn apple, listen to keys. Oh, did I do something silly with the conditions or something? Oh. It's not in a loop. I think that is the problem. Your thread has a while loop running to catch this. And mine does not. It's weird. Why did it work before? Did I have a while loop? Yep. Yep. Just took me a while to see it. Ha! Yeah, weird. I just removed it from the while loop when I copied it over. I don't know. I assumed I had it. Silly mistakes. Silly mistakes. Not what I want. That's what I want. Yay. It moves again. Create. Ooh, I think I need to remove those comments, so yeah. Sweet. That's awesome. Oh. Huh. Oops, not that one. Let's make sure that still works. Tee-hee-hee. Okay, that's awesome. Extend. What's up, suicidal sheep? What brings you here? Ruby and Snake Game? Perfect. As you can see, my Snake Game extends. That's all Snake does currently, is extend. And then there's the game over explosion, which is always funny. I think it looks better when it goes up. Yeah, this is my favorite game over explosion. It was a happy accident, so I kept it. Why Ruby? That's what I use at work. We've got a big Ruby on Rails monolith with a React front end. And I kind of wanted to like spend some time just using Ruby with a small amount of gems rather than the massive amount that Rails comes with. So I did some data structures and algorithm stuff, and then I wanted to build something, and this seemed like fun and possible with Ruby. So yeah, that's why Ruby. I was curious, is the short answer. Oh hey, thanks for the follow. I appreciate that, Suicidal Sheep. let's see. Ah, yes, the snake is not quite controllable because it's just constantly growing. So I need to make a def move snake. That probably means I need to keep the snake here. Yeah, I'm just gonna start with hard-coded values. I was legit in the middle of making Snake with Java and JFrame, seeing this on, I was like, damn, let's see how we doing that. Nice, nice. If you want to see a much cleaner, kicked it, I kid. If you want to see a much cleaner Snake game, Moomies looks really good. It's already open. Yeah, so this is Moomies code. So super simple, one file, less than 115 lines. And it looks, oops, what is it? Snick, Ruby Snick, like this. My screen's really big, but yeah. His is super clean, plays really well, and it even tells you your score at the end. Oh, I missed it. And based off our previous interactions, I assume Moomy made this in the 30 minutes after my last stream. Let's go ahead, close that. Is that the velocity difference because the vertical carry spacing hurts? Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I'll worry about that later, maybe. I kind of got used to it. Yeah, the code's really clean. I have been using this as a reference since he shared it. Or she. Since they shared it. They shared it. Not sure. My apologies. Maybe there's a method to get character width and height. Not sure though, because that would depend on the font and terminal emulator. Oh, that's true. Oh, right, because it's all text-based. You can't guarantee a cube. You can't, yeah. You can't guarantee the dimensions. Why Ruby? Why not Python? Miss Kokome? Maybe I got that right? Welcome. Ruby's what I use at work. We've got this big Ruby on Rails monolith, and I wanted to see what was going on with just Ruby. Oh, and also, thank you for the follow. That's awesome. This isn't actually move snake. This is change snake direction. Ruby's more fun to write than Python. Fewer prints and colons. I haven't used Python much. Wait, so the key input with Ruby is off for me? How are you doing this with such little code? I'm using this gem called curses. From what I understand, curses is a pretty standard terminal user interface implementation that interfaces with a bunch of different terminals to make GUI-like applications. Yeah, like what events. Yeah, it's super easy. It's got this window get character method, and it just waits and listens for keyboard input. It's pretty awesome. Let's see if I can snake dot first. Let's go. That's a thing. Destructuring is a thing in Ruby, right? I saw Moomy do it. It's got to be a thing. Ruby's making you check this out. Curses is available in pretty much any language. It's a C library, but yeah. Yep, agreed. Agreed, Moomy. Keyboard layout. UDRL is up, down, right, left. This out of sheep. Okay. So I think slow. Thought it was the key code. Wasn't looking at the paving. It's cool. It's totally cool. And then I have to set the snake to the new head. So what if I do... Oh, this is what I'm doing down below. At snake dot unshift new head. Not actually changing all of them. Yep, right there. And I'm popping off the end. So let's say that doesn't happen. Want to hear toxic? I created a segment class that are handled like linked lists for my snake handling. I can't say how bad it is. No, it can't be that easy. Yes, yes. Ah, right here. Oh, this is actually moving this. I think the update method is somewhere around in squared being segment count. This can go up pretty quick. Oh wow. Yeah. I caught that in squared. Oh man. That could get big. It could get big depending on the screen size. But if the screen stays small, it doesn't matter a whole lot. No. Cause it's still moving the snake. Move snake. And then out for this. Boop. All right, let's see if this broke everything. Does work. Okay. Works as it did anyway. Oh, it's a little slow. Why is it slowing down? Moomy says, I doubt you'll get enough segments for it to become an issue. Even with 1,000 segments, it's only, what is that, 1,000,000? It's hard to parse. Yeah, and n squared is only 1,000,000. Sounds right. But it's big enough with the running without limiting that I can notice a visual slowdown on snake movement. Also have to consider J-frame canvas fun, which is called on paint for each segment. Oh, gotcha. Talking about visual slowdowns. Fast snake. Half speed snake. Half speed snake. Half speed snake. Sad snake. Yeah, I don't know why that happened. It's probably fine. I don't know. I moved it in here. All right, this isn't being referenced anymore, so... That's fine. Oh, am I doing something weird right here? What is this? Oh. Then I'm doing collision detection. Huh. I bet at snake.pop is what's causing the slowdown. Yep, that was it. Woo, so fast. Not drawing everything, but that's fine. Now why isn't it drawing everything? So I was trying to move stuff into methods just one-to-one without changing it too much. And then I could clean up from there after everything is cleaned up into methods. But it seems like something is very different from my move snake method. And what I had before. Oh, I guess this already had quite a lot of points in it, so it might have there might have been a slowdown before, I just never noticed it. Let's find out. Yeah, it doesn't matter where we start. Oops. My sleep is inside a loop? Oh, is that what's causing it? Oh. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Okay. Boop. Boop. It's an inside of loop. Inside of a loop. Oh gosh, it's gonna be so fast now. Okay, it's gotten even crazier. This is wonderful. Let's make that 0.5. That's too slow to do anything. 1. Alright, that seems good. Oh gosh. I assume that's happening because now this is already working. Nice, nice. Things are cleaning up. This is awesome. All right, now when I move the snake, refresh should also be outside the loop. All right. I have... pressing C. Eat the O. Sleeps inside a loop. My solution to everything. Like, yes, you can see 2 frames of it. Alright, I moved refresh outside of the loop. Eating the O. Yeah, that doesn't really do anything right now. Suicide of sheep. Boop. Got a game over for it. Another game over. Another game over. Okay, so it looks like controls work to where they were. So I will go ahead and remove this. Okay, get in. Commit. Make move. Snake. Method. Cool. I guess this can also go in here. Let's see. Oops, not what I wanted. Immediate game overs. I love it. Yeah. Let's not worry about that right now. Oh, it hangs a little bit when I press a key. Weird. Okay, now I need to worry about removing the tail of the snake. Right? Did I save? I did not. Oh, I need to make that a space. uh. Oh, right. So snake dot first. Oh, yeah. Good point. Good point. I probably don't need the snake dot pop. I do need the snake dot pop. Yay. Thanks, Moomy. Okay, now it seems a little weird, but it's probably because I have this loop in this method. Move tail. Cool. Okay, and now this is being weird, so I will move this back to down here. Oops, right, of course. Gotta actually, and then have to actually put it in the right place. Oh, it still blinks a bit. Weird. I wonder if it's because it's moving so fast? No, can't be right. Maybe I'm calling refresh too much? Let me think. What does move snake do? Honestly better when it was in here. I think I'll leave it there for now. Oof. Nah, it's kind of glitchy. Seems better. Refreshing at the appropriate time seems to be helpful. Yay. Methods to the rescue. CTO, ETO, ETO. Boop. Cool. Okay, this is getting better. Now, all right, time to look at Moomi's code some more. How did you do collision? Oh, shorten. Nice. Oh. Game over. Oh, you added it to your move. Ha, nice. Oh, I like how you did this. So if you collide with a space, then you shorten. That's cool. Oh, is this like a spread operator? This asterisk tail? Huh. That's pretty cool. Okay. Oh. Don't like this naming, but we're gonna roll with it. Ooh, I don't need that anymore. That's nice. Whoop. Not what I meant to do. Okay. And then while true, move snake. Do. Handle collision. Let's see what happens. Well, yeah, it's doing a thing, huh? All right. What did I do here? Should probably go after move snake. Nope. It just really dislikes me. Now the game overs are chasing me. It's so funny. So you're checking if it's app or space. If not, it's game over. Oh, you're not actually drawing it here. Oh, you're doing it in grow. So you always grow. Ah. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Because currently my draw snake is just redrawing the snake every single time. And it doesn't need to do that. Let's try this. Spread operator snake. Oh my gosh. Snake is not defined. Thank you. You caught that so fast. Oh, I messed something up. Game overs are fine. Movement still works. Ah, so I only want to remove... Okay. That's a good thing. I have a remove tail method. And then handle collision can be done in move. Boop. Oh, I see why you did it this way. Well, obviously I'm influenced. Maybe I can't see it any other way now. But it makes sense. Okay, remove tails working. My beautiful game over screen still works. We're so close. We're so close. Okay. Let's make a commit. Cool. I guess I can be more explicit here. Does this work? I don't know. Let's see. Oops, not what I wanted. Haha, haha, haha. Womp. Sorry for the spam. It does work. It's awesome. Now I just need to spawn more food. All right. Now let's spawn some food. He look at your spawn food, because I'm curious if when you spawn an apple, do you do it randomly? And if so, do you check for if it's going to collide? You didn't bother with the checks? Okay, okay. So it could spawn. Now I want to try and break it. Let's see. Let's see. Where's your game? Where's your game? I need to make my screen small. Ooh, maybe I should just do this. Make it really big. Oh, it's still gonna be too big. It's gonna take forever. want to see if I can make it happen now. All right. Yeah, no way. I'd have to modify it to make it slower. Oops. And then right here. I mean, when you eat, yeah. Yep. I caught on. Took me a second. Oh gosh. Not yet. It just gives you a game over. Kudos to you for having a robust game over check. Oh no, it's just overriding. It was just overriding them. I wonder what the game over check was before. Oh, this is getting silly. This is what I wanted. Oh, game over. That was awesome. It's great. You should just make it a parameter that you can pass in. Oh, it's so huge now. That looks about right. Nope. There we go. Yeah, this is so good. Oop, not what I wanted to do. I just want to get stash. Alright, let me go check my readme real quick. Yes, is controllable. Game technically ends. Eating fruit does make the snake grow. I don't know if collision with the snake makes the game end. Gonna be hard to tell. Yep, don't know yet. Fruit makes more fruit spawn. I'm making notes of the multiple fruit spawning because it's amazing. To set food. Okay. Oh, right. Spawning food. Spawning food. Rupee random number. Oh, it's just a range. Rand 2 dot dot -2. Not what I wanted to change. Oh, and then it's technically YX. Okay, cool. So that should work for spawning food. Oops. Num plus a conversion from nil to integer. What did I do? 57. This window not available yet. Oh, this is going to be X and XY. There we go. Is it going to spawn more food? Yes, it is. Tee. Now I can play Snake for as long as I want. Tee. Yay. Oh. I think I forgot something. Nah, seems fine. Seems fine. Okay, it does spawn food. Oh, right. Okay. Ah, yes. I'll do one more thing and then be done. I did like your running variable. That was nice. False. And then while at running. And then in handle collision. I think it's set running. True. This is gonna get me forever. Snake casing versus camel casing. Oh, handle collision. That's what I was going. Where is it? Right here. Oops. Oh gosh. Oh, right, right. Have to be very careful. Not to do that. Because when I turn the snake back in on itself, it just immediately crashes. Well, I guess it's not crashing. It's what I'm telling it to do, right? It game overs and then closes. So how do I make it just show game over? You know what? I think that's fine for now. Stat. Diff. Add. Distance var to manage while loops. Okay, now let's go back to the README. Yep, that happened. I don't know if that happened. So let's do done. Display snake length on screen. I don't really know how to, this one's gonna be vague. Don't auto quit on game over. Yeah, I'll add some sub bullets to that one. So maybe we'll do something like use key press to quit. Use key press to restart. Ooh, that could be fun. Display those keys on the game over screen. Ooh, we're getting advanced now. Different screens. Okay, so I got a good bit done. It's a working prototype, working game. It's actually playable. Okay. Awesome. Moomy, thanks for all the help. I really appreciate it. And if everybody else is here, thanks for all the follows. That's it for me for the evening. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day, whether it's morning, evening, noon, night. Yeah. Anyways, see you later. Thanks for everything.